Alright people, it's 7:30 in the morning and I'm packing up my little jacket. Absolute favorite fans with double pockets. Leaving in 2 hours, take the speedboat and I'll ride there, go to my treehouse. I'm gonna live in a treehouse today, which is gonna be fantastic. And I made it. Bye baby. You. Oh yeah, new baby. How much is it per day? 100. 100, yeah. Sounds fair. Beautiful day. Hot though. The thing is now is no helmet included. So gotta drive safe. Let's roll. Hello. Afternoon. Wow. Beautiful place. Thank you. Tree lounge up there. Oh wow, nice. Let's hope I'm not too heavy. Yeah, I'm gonna sleep tonight. The floor is a bit uneven and everything's like very DIY. I like that. Simple mattress, simple fan, nothing fancy. The way I like it. And just being up in the trees like this is so awesome. Do not carry magical charm. Very small. Whoa. Are you kidding me? If you're big, you're not coming through here, that's for sure. Now it's off-road almost. I survived the ride. Now let's check out the view. The view, breathtaking. Pretty cool place to live. Pretty fucking steep if you ask me. Wow, this place is gorgeous. Totally worth the off-road ride here. Now the best part, hike up, connected to nature. Already out of breath. So steep. I really want to go back and have a pizza. Pizza it is. Baby's still here. Where did I put the keys though? My pants. And I'm in my treehouse. That's amazing. Amazing pizza and baked potato and 2 drinks. So I'm gonna go up 5 in the morning. So I gotta go to bed now. Thank you guys for today. See you tomorrow. Okay, it's like 5:20 in the morning. We're ready to go and I'm gonna drive for an hour in the dark to get to the sunrise. So it's starting to get bright outside. Beautiful sunrise though. The moon up there, sun's coming up. It goes pretty slow when you drive like this. Middle of nowhere, bumper road. Awesome. Finally good road. Yeah. Okay, so I kind of arrived. Looks beautiful, but I was like middle of nowhere all alone. And I can't really decide like through Google Maps where it is. So luckily I have a drone. So let's go fly and see where it is. all alone. No single person here, so definitely if you go in the morning, you'll be alone, which is cool. Whoa! You don't want to fall down here. Look at this, guys. Ah! What? They said people actually died here because the water comes in and then they flush people out and then they get killed by the rocks. Pretty intense shit. Whoa. Whoa. Now that's something else. So 2 minutes down the road, this place we're gonna stay at tonight. So I'm sharing this dorm with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm over there 4. So when I got into the dorm, I found a new friend. Yay! So we're gonna go together to explore Kelingking. Kelingking, yeah. Right from Norway. Okay, ready? Yeah. Alright, let's go. And the rough roads are back again. That's some serious precision work right there. You good? Someone's gonna fall. Probably me. Okay, if this is how it starts, I don't want to know how it ends. It's always a bit tricky to walk on these cool but very steep paths while filming. It's a skill that takes years. Almost fell. I don't know if I'm more excited about the hike or actually the beach. Yeah, both are pretty cool. You can do it. What up? Hands down, the most epic place I've ever been to. You got cliffs. We got perfect light, we got a cool hike. I love hikes. I love when you have to fight to get to a nice place, you know, a challenge. And then perfect sand, perfect turquoise water. Poof. But it's hot though.
You're wearing pants.
Oh yeah. Constant sweat through that.
Oh, yeah.
I can't describe how steep it is. It's literally 90 degrees straight down. We're almost there, guys. Almost down. Whoop. We were up there and then all the way down here. Bahama, it's like what, 10-15 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's not. I think when people say it's 45 minutes, I think they meant up. Last steps down. Woohoo! Nice. Yeah. Yes. Woo! That was intense. I'm so glad about the timing, cause like this would have been insane to do by myself, but just as a friend with me. Even better! Wow! Look at this place. Oh, I'm losing my pants. The sweat is like in my eye. It itches. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. It's like I've been into the water. Yeah, that's the difference. Oh, look at the colors! Oh shit! Oh man, we got destroyed. You're getting washed away. Oh shit. Oh, it's brutal out here. Where did you go? Bye-bye. It's like a workout. An amazing hour. Sun is going down, so now we're gonna hike up. Yep, going strong. Okay, let's go. She's already gone. One hand and barefoot. Huh? I'm vlogging. Woo! We can do it. stay here until it gets dark so we can see the stars. So I had this not crazy idea. No, I had this feeling that was like probably gonna be really epic here to see all the stars because, well, you can get really cool star photos with the T-Rex. Plus it's the middle of nowhere, so it's like super nice. And we went here and we have the whole freaking Milky Way above us, so hopefully I get some good shots so I can show you guys. But this is amazing, and not a single person around, and the nature music around us, perfect. So if you go here, stay, because everyone leaves and the star comes out. I know I need to pee.